Alright, ngikubingelele ke mthando wezemidlalo ngalesikhathi ngibingelele kuphi nakuphi la ubukele khona ke mawuthi ke usuku lakho lokuqala ukuyona ke le channel awenze kanje awulike ivideo ebese ke uyasubscribe kuyona ke i-channel ungaphinde ke uciphize notification bell ukuze uthole ama notification uma kukhona ke ivideo esifakayo. Sikubhekela ke nje kuma transfers kwi-Betway Premiership ngizokupha i-update mayelana ke nomdlali obelinkwa kakhulu kuyona ke i-Orlando Pirates umdlali ke ogijima as i-right back laphana ke kwibhola kwaNecity laphana ke uThabang Madolodi umqeqeshi wayo ke ibhola kwaNecity usebhodlile ke waphawula mayelana ke nalo mdlali ke wathi ke Thabang is staying with the team. He and I had a meeting. You can see now when you look at the national team, it's no longer about players playing for the big team to get a call-up, and it doesn't make any sense that you go to a bigger team, but at the end of the day you just get a salary and you don't achieve your goals. Ekubeka ke umqeqeshi ke wayo ibhola kwaNecity ekubeka kucace nje ukuthi ke akudingeke ukuthi ke uzowudlalela i-team enkulu ukuze ke ukwazi ke ukuthi ke nawe uqowe njengomdlali oyomela ke iqembu lesizwe iBafana Bafana. Wenza isibonelo ngaye ke uThabang Madolodi ukuthi ke nakuba edlalela ibhola kwaNecity kodwa ke ukwazile ukuthi ke naye ebe yingxenye yabadlali ababizwa umqeqeshi uHugo Broos kuyona ke i-national team, okusho ukuthi ke amathuba amancane ukuthi ke lo mdlali ke simbone okwamanje egijima kwi-Orlando Pirates njengoba umqeqeshi laphana ke uBoyano Moloto ecacisa ukuthi umdlali usazohlala kwibhola kwaNecity. Yona update engiyiphethe ke njengamanje, like ivideo, subscribe kuyona ke i-channel. Mina nawe ngizohlezi ngikhona la engulethela ke ama-transfer rumors kanjalo ke nama-confirmed transfers kwi-Betway Premiership. Kwamanje ke ivideo yethu asibambe la, nisale kahle.